Can we access private data from another class in Java? If private means hidden, then how does Java allow access? The answer is getter method. Getter method is a public method used to access private variables safely. In Java, private variables cannot be accessed directly from another class. So Java provides a controlled way using getters. Why getter methods are needed? Here the program hacker.java. Here the first class name is private data. Here private data has a method secret. In the method secret, the print statement, we have a print statement. The another class hacker, the main method defined in hacker class. The object of the private data class is created in hacker class. The secret method is called through object in hacker class. Then save the file, then open cmd and set the file path, then compile the Java file and run the Java file. Here the error is occur. Secret method has private access in private data. We cannot access the private data of a method. Using the getter method, we can access the private data of a method. Here some steps are there to access the private data of a method. Firstly, the class that contains the private data, it must have a public method. Then we can call the private method inside the public method. Then create other class, the class with the main method. Create the object of the first class that have private data. Then call the public method. Now save the file and open the cmd in open previous. Then run the file again. Now compile the file again. Let's see. The file is compiled. Now run the file. The data of the private method is retrieved. Only using the getter method we can retrieve the private method data. The getter method provides controller access to private data. The advantages of getter method: it provides controlled access, maintains data security, supports encapsulation, prevents direct modification. Used in real world applications. Here it is a real life example. Let us assume an example ATM machine. Your bank balance is private. You cannot access bank database directly. ATM provides check balance option. Getter methods work similarly. You can see your balance, but you cannot access database directly. This is the way how the getter method can work. The getter method mainly used to read private data, maintain encapsulation, access data safety.